Raw vegan lunchbox. About 6-7 kilos of langsat, rambutans and lychees. Should be enjoyable on our 24-hour train ride from Bangkok to Malaysia, Penang.
You gotta be prepared. I even have wings.
Wings.
Chop choy.
And then we got about
water.
6 liters of water. That should be good. And then we have some, I guess we have about 5 kilos of papayas as well.
Yeah, breakfast.
Breakfast tomorrow. Always got to stay planning ahead on the raw vegan diet. On any diet really, but on most diets you can always find food. There's always people selling food, usually cooked food. So on a fruit diet you need to do a little bit more planning. Just make sure you have enough. And there's almost always too little. So bring more than you think you need, because you usually end up needing more. That's my experience anyway. Leaving Bangkok, thank God, it's a noisy place.